Welcome! Today, we're diving into how to create a community on Facebook, a fantastic way to connect with like-minded individuals or grow your brand. Let's get started with a step-by-step guide that's quick and easy to follow. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once it's loaded, look for the Messages icon at the top of the screen and tap on it. This will take you to your Messenger interface, where you can manage chats and explore other features. Next, locate the menu icon. It's typically represented by 3 horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of the app. Tap on it to open a list of options and settings. Now scroll down until you see the option labeled Create Community. Tap on this to begin setting up your new community space. Facebook will guide you through the initial setup process. At this stage, you'll need to fill in some key details about your community. Choose a name that reflects its purpose or theme, and select the privacy settings, whether public or private, depending on who you want to access it. You can also add a description to let potential members know what your community is all about. Once all the details are filled in, confirm your choices by tapping the Create button. Congratulations! Your community is now live and ready to welcome members. To make it more engaging, consider customizing your community further. Add a cover photo that represents its theme. Set clear rules for members, and start posting content to spark conversations. You can also invite friends, or share an invite link to grow your group quickly. And there you have it. A vibrant Facebook community in just a few simple steps. Whether it's for business, hobbies, or shared interests, this tool is perfect for bringing people together. Start building your community today.